Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how you can make $25 in the first hour. Yes, that's right. You can make $25 in your first hour of visiting this website. Now there's a couple of reasons why I'm excited about this website. Number one, the tasks that you need to do are really interesting. And number two, it works worldwide. And that is what everybody's always asking me. Have you got a method that works worldwide? And I do. So what I'm going to show you in this video is exactly the website to go to. It's 100% free to sign up. You can earn money daily, and this is the other thing I love. You can earn money every single day. When you're sitting at home on the couch, when you're sitting in your lunch break, when you're sitting in your car, get your phone out, do a quick little app, do a quick little survey, do something simple, make a few bucks. It's super easy, guys. It's 100% free method. It's newbie friendly. You can do it over and over again, and it works worldwide. That is what I love about it. Now, before we go on with the actual method, guys, please do me a massive favor and hit that big subscribe. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell. That way you get to see my new videos first. I upload them daily. You get to see them first, try them first, make money first. That is what this is all about. I want you guys to make money online like I do. Now, the other thing I'm offering you today is some free training. I'm an affiliate marketer. I'm a product maker. I'm a product vendor. But I also offer you guys some free training. It's 100% free, not a dollar do you have to give me. Below the video here is a get my free training box. I'll highlight it in the video, guys. Just click on that. There's 7 videos for you to watch. And you can learn how to get started in affiliate marketing and how to start earning some money. So that is it from me. I'm Bobby D from Bobby D Online Marketing. Let's jump on with the training. So the site we're going to look at is this one here. And as you see, there's a big get free money today sign, which is what we love. Now, this is all about doing quick surveys or playing quick games, looking at offer walls, conducting really simple tasks. Now, before we go anywhere, you've probably looked at these sites and thought, oh, they're a pain to do. Some of them are. This one isn't. And why? Look at the ratings it has got off Trustpilot. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4.5, 4.6 out of 5. 581 reviews. That means only one thing. It works and can make you money, guys, all right? Really important. This works. This can make you money. All right. So let's just get on with it. Get started. Start making money. Now, there's loads of things you can do. You can do surveys. These are quick little surveys from some of the big companies. Now, they last about 5 minutes. Okay. And there's topics on how you do shopping. What tech do you buy? Where do you travel? Things like that. What car do you own? What fuel do you put in it? And everyone you answer, you get points. And these points you can redeem into cash or you can redeem into Amazon cards, etc. They are games you can play. Okay. Vendors, product makers put their products on here first for you to try them out and get feedback before they put them out on big platforms like iTunes and the Google Store. So you get to play the games that are coming out, okay? And there's all sorts of games. There's Sudoku, crossword, word search, jigsaw games, arcade games, simulation games, platform games. And again, you play those. Some of them you play for a couple of minutes. Some of them you can play for as long as you want. And then you give them feedback. And the better feedback, the more you play it, the more money you get. There's a section called Quick Points. And these are quick little jobs. Fill out a captcha. Watch a 30-second video. Click on a wall, look at a product, say what you like. You might be a couple of coats. Which design do you like? All right, super easy to do. Okay. How does this work? You can get paid via TransferWise into your bank account, Skrill, direct to your crypto wallet, gift cards, PayPal. It's brilliant. Basically, you can get paid anyhow. Okay. You convert your points into cash and then you cash them out. A lot of people I've been speaking to on this and looking at reviews like to get the Amazon gift cards, but you can do whatever you want, okay? So there's some facts. Does it cost anything to become a member? No, it is free, 100%. Now, there may be some transaction fees from PayPal and Skrill, but it's free to join the site. It's free to make money. Okay, anyone can make an account as long as you're over 16. Now the account you need to go to, the website you need to go to is getpaid2.com. Getpaid2.com. I've highlighted it there, guys. That's the one you go to. Sign up with your email. Put a real email address in because they need confirmation. They'll send you a confirmation email. Just click it back. You are good to go. Okay. Now the other way of making some really good money is by doing this. Refer a friend. Everyone that you refer, if they take an offer up, you get 15% of it. All right. 15% of whatever offer they're doing. That equals about 100 points. Free money. All right. If you've got friends in your phone book, text them all. Say, look at this, it's great. Email address, email everyone in your email book. Facebook, put it out on your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram. Put this stuff out everywhere you can, guys. Get as much exposure as you can, and that means you're just going to make more money. All right. It is really, really easy to do. It's a super easy website. It's getpaid2.com. Okay. There it is there. Super easy. I really like it. It's got brilliant reviews. Okay. Absolutely excellent reviews. There are some of the reviews here from Trustpilot. We can actually jump over to it now. 581. You know, super excited. I like it. Easy to understand. The first time I've been paid. It's a legitimate website. This site is the best. I love this site. Excellent, 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 excellent. What more do you want, guys? This works. If you're looking for a site that's going to make you some money and pay out, this is it. Okay. It is really, really good. Now, guys, if you haven't been over to my website, please do so. Have a look on my website, and don't forget to hit that big important subscribe button. Okay, hit the subscribe button. I'll be really appreciative of it. Join up. There's hundreds of videos on my website here. Hundreds and hundreds of videos for you to look at. There's a subscribe. All about making money. All right. If you're serious about making money, have a look at my website. Go through it all. There's tons of ways of making money there. There's tons of my own products on there, and it's just a simple way of making money. And that is my aim, is to make you guys money. So I'm Bobby D from Bobby D Online Marketing. I appreciate you listening to my video. Hit the subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.